Good morning, my junior buddies. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping good. I, Zarna Patel, welcome you all in today's session. Today we will learn a new alphabet in English, right? And which is that alphabet? Yes, it is alphabet Z. We will be learning alphabet Z. Capital Z, small z. So, before learning alphabet Z, what shall we do? Yes, we will revise all the alphabet that we have already learned in our previous class. Right? So, let us start our revision. Alphabet Z is the last alphabet in alphabet series. First alphabet is alphabet A and the last alphabet is alphabet Z. Alphabet A. Capital A, small a. A says eh. A for ant. Capital B, small b. B says b. B for bell. Capital C, small c. C says k. C for car. Capital D, small d. D says d. D for drum. Alphabet E. Capital E, small e. E says a. E for eraser. Alphabet F. Capital F, small f. F says for. F for face. Capital G, small g. G says g. G for glass. Alphabet H. Capital H, small h. H says her. H for hand. Now which alphabet will come after H? Capital I, small I. I has two sounds, children. I says E and I says I. I for import. Capital J, small j. J says J. J for jam. Capital K, small k. K says K. K for kiwi. Capital L, small l. L says L. L for lips. Capital M, small m. M says M. M for mug. Capital N, small n. N says N. N for nurse. Capital O, small o. O says O. O for ox. Capital P, small p. P says P. P for pen. Capital Q, small q. Q says Q. Q for queen. Capital R, small r. R says R. R for rainbow. Capital S, small s. S says S. S for scooter. Capital T, small t. T says T. T for table. Capital U, small u. U says up. U says U. U for umbrella. Capital V, small v. V says V. V for vest. Capital W, small w. W says W. W for window. Capital X, small x. Children, alphabet X has three sounds. X for X, X for X and X for Z. X for xylophone. Capital Y, small y. Y says Y. Y for yo-yo. Now, which alphabet will come after Y? Which alphabet we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn alphabet Z. Z says Z. Z for zebra crossing. And Z is the last alphabet of alphabet series. This is alphabet Z. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z and this is small z. Right? And the phonic sound of alphabet Z is Z. The phonic sound of alphabet Z is Z. चलो बच्चों रिपीट करो मेरे साथ. Z says Z. चलो अब आपकी टर्न है ओके बोलने की. Z says yes, right. Z says Z. Now we will learn few words that start with alphabet Z with the help of few pictures. So let us start. Z for zero. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra crossing. We should always use zebra crossing to cross road. Z for zip. आपकी बैग में जिप होती है ना. Z for zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. Z for zoo. You can see many animals and birds in the zoo. Z for zucchini. Zucchini is a vegetable. As my children have already learned alphabet Z, its phonic sound and the words which start with alphabet Z, right? तो बच्चों अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम Z को लिखना सीखेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? हम उससे पहले Z की करेंगे वाटर राइटिंग. तो चलो बच्चों वाटर राइटिंग शुरू करते हैं. और आपको जैसे मैम यहाँ सिखा रहे हैं ना, वैसे आपको घर पर भी वाटर राइटिंग करनी है वर्कबुक में लिखने से पहले. तो प्रॉमिस बच्चों आप पहले वाटर राइटिंग की प्रैक्टिस कर लेना. ओके, वेरी गुड. We will dip our first finger in water and then we will do sleeping line, slanting line and once again sleeping line. This capital Z. Let us write small z. Once again dip your finger in water and sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is our small z, capital Z, small z. After doing the practice of water writing, let us write alphabet Z in our workbook. Children, please open English class workbook, page number 71 to write alphabet Z. Today's date is 18th December 2020. Alphabet Z, capital Z, small z, Z for zebra crossing. Now let us trace alphabet Z over here. First we will trace capital Z, sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line and once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this, capital Z. Now we will write small z and we will write small z between two blue lines. So let us write sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line till second blue line, once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is our small z. Let us trace once again sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, capital Z, small z that is in between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, small z. This is how you will trace the second line also, children. Now let us write alphabet Z on our own. So first we will write capital Z. To write capital Z, first we will make a sleeping line on the first red line, then slanting line till second blue line and a sleeping line on the second blue line like this. This is our capital Z. Let us write small z between two blue lines. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is our small z, capital Z, small z. Let us write once again. Sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line and once again sleeping line on the second blue line like this, capital Z, small z between two blue lines, that is sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Isn't it very easy to write alphabet Z, children? Yes, very good. Let us write once again. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, capital Z. Now it is time to write small z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, small z. This is how you have to write alphabet Z in your workbook page. After writing alphabet Z, let us write alphabet Z over here because it is Z for zebra. So we will write small z in this given space like this. This is our Z, Z for zebra. And let us trace the zebra over here. And slowly बच्चों आपको इस तरह से यहाँ पर ट्रेस करना है. और ट्रेसिंग के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? हम इसमें अच्छे से रंग भरेंगे. After tracing the zebra, let us color it. So we will take black color and we will color its stripes as zebra has stripes on its body, black and white stripes. So like this you will do the coloring. Like this you have to color the zebra. Now we will write alphabet Y and alphabet Z in our workbook. Children, please open English class workbook page number 73 to write alphabet Y and Z. Today's date is 18th December 2020. Alphabet Y, capital Y, small y. Alphabet Z, capital Z, small z. Now let us trace. So first we will trace alphabet Y. Capital Y, slanting line from first red line to first blue line, and then we will make one more slanting line from first red line to second blue line like this. Capital Y. Small y, we will start from first blue line by making a slanting line till second blue line, and then on the other side we will make a long slanting line starting from first blue line till second red line. This is our small y. Let us trace once again. Capital Y, small y. Right? Now we will trace alphabet Z. Capital Z, sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line till second blue line. Once again, sleeping line on the first blue line. Capital Z, small z between two blue lines. Sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line till second blue line, and sleeping line on the first blue line like this. Small z. Let us trace over here also. Capital Z, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. And this is our small z. Between two blue lines we will trace it, okay? Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is how you will complete tracing alphabet Y and alphabet Z in these two lines, okay? Now let us write alphabet Y and alphabet Z on our own. First we will write capital Y. Slanting line from first red line to first blue line, and on the other side we will make one more slanting line that starts from first red line to second blue line. Okay, this is our capital Y. Small y, we will start from first blue line. We will make a slanting line from first blue line to second blue line, and on other side we will make a long slanting line starting from first blue line to second red line like this. चलो बच्चों फिर से एक बार लिखते हैं. कैपिटल Y, slanting line and one more slanting line. This is our capital Y. and small y कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? रेड लाइन से? नहीं, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से. हम करेंगे स्लैंटिंग लाइन इस तरह से फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक, और यहाँ से हम करेंगे एक लंबी स्लैंटिंग लाइन जो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से स्टार्ट होगी और सेकेंड रेड लाइन तक आएगी इस तरह से. लेट अस राइट कैपिटल Z. Sleeping line on the first red line, slanting line from red line to second blue line, and once again sleeping line on the first blue line. No, second blue line. This is our capital Z. Let us write small z, and that we will write from red line. No, we will write between two blue lines. So let us start. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. ऐसे बोलते बोलते लिखना है, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. चलो फिर से एक बार लिखते हैं, है ना? Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is our capital Z. And small z between two blue lines. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Small z. This is how you will write the whole page of alphabet Y and Z. Children, please write alphabet Z in your English homework book on page 39. Children, please write alphabet Y and Z in your English homework book, page number 40.